Today we're going to change this control cable on the Troy-Bilt mower. Pretty much similar to other models, other makes. It keeps you from having the mower running when you're not holding this handle tight. It's frayed at the end. It snapped off, so then it was taped on with duct tape for a long time and into the hole. And now the cable frayed. It's very holding by one strand. The whole thing has to be replaced. So here's how you get it done. You snap off the old one. Get a pair of pliers and pull it out with a pair of pliers. Snap the new one in just like the old one came out. The cable side to the bottom toward the motor. Snap that in. Bring the cable down. Okay, first you're going to hook in this end. That's the rotten one. First hook in, push in, and then pull down. You got to tight on that end. Now once you got it hooked onto the handle, snapped onto the handle, hooked into the cable grabber, then don't forget to put it down see this cable retainer. Kind of a spring to it to get it through that way. Down to this end. First, there's a little wing on the side of this that you have to push in, and then you can pull it out. There you go. You have these little wings. Wing on the side that holds it in. There's one on the other side, but it's already compressed. The new one has the wings. The new one has two wings. Right there. Then you can bring the cable down here. Stick the cable through the hole. And put the cable through the hole. Yeah, like that. Then put the snap in the hole like that. And bring the cable up. Put the tip in the hole like that. Push it down in. Now it's tight enough. It's not a wheel lock. Now it should start. It's pulling the safety on the end.